I don't want to go out a new house with Gummy Bear. I want to stay home.
Mom and Dad, you're not staying home. And you're going to go to a new house if you like it or not. Let's get in the car right now.
Wow, what did you like it, that house?
Yay! I wanted this house.
Yay! I wanted this house.
Mom and Dad, what do you like at the house?
What? Your house looks stupid. You just killed a dog crap.
Oh my god, parents. How dare you call your Gummy Bear's house that looks stupid and dog crap? You made Windows Maker a cat's crap crying.
Gummy Bear, Nightgrunts, and Cody, I'm very sorry, but there's a new house.
I don't care. That's it. You are grounded for 552 days.
This is the living room on TV.
Well, this is the living room TV too.
This is the cooking and the diving room and the making of the soup.
This is the Nigris, Windows Maker, Cody. And this is a boy's bedroom. This was cat's crap in a laptop's bedroom. This is the Mimi's bedroom. Mom and Dad is his bedroom because it's troublemaker over time. Now go to sleep right freaking now. Stop crying and go to sleep and don't wake up when you're going to school.